talking about a sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis, Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security.
I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. I fit turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me
World. Oh my gosh, if you guys can tell, you all can see that I'm sick. I'm sick, the flu catch me, and me just open the bad flu I go around. I take up my vitamins and some of them more long, but I guess me did need more nutrients, I guess. I don't know. But I don't want to be sick. Oh my gosh, I feel awful. Feeling man, some over there, so I'm gonna eat not yet. I'm gonna wait for eat something. But yeah, oh, by the way, the other day somebody commented that I should find a name for you guys. Honestly, oh my gosh, it's a struggle. I don't know what I could call, you know. What do you think I should call you guys? Y'all comment it down below. Drop names. Let me see. Let me see. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just here about to start watching some YouTube. I just Tatiana upload a vlog. I go watch that. Yeah, life as Tatiana. Oh, and Mitty upload something too. I think Shredded Sundays is what you call it. Today Jezebel Sunday rock 4th. Yeah, I watch this little web something where Trabas do. Named Jezebel, a little web series shot. I think it's well done. I don't know, I like it. I'm looking at the quality and how everything's set up, and I think, you know, it's coming along quite nicely. I like it. But yeah, what else? I have some editing to do. If I go to the club tonight, I'm gonna get worse, and I can't manage that. But I went to the club last night. I went to the club on Friday, and yeah, just got something to eat. Ackee and saltfish. Well, I don't eat saltfish, so I have to pick it up. But I made a business about me, so I see it there. She just cook the saltfish in the said way, and just pick it out and eat the ackee. Breadfruit, fried dumpling. Yum, yum, yum. Num, num, num. Mommy over there. That dress color is so beautiful. Mommy, say hi. Say hi. Show me over there. We eat this so I can take my pill and such, and some medicine and all that good stuff. So this is why the two of us have to get sick in our day. She's the car. Guess what? We on each other like plaster, yo. You see me? You see Shami? You see Shami? You see me? Like, bruh. Sister goals? But yeah, so coconut water. I have to wash off my arteries. I have to get better. Like this sickness now stop me now. Tomorrow, you feel like something I gotta take a day off, I gotta film same way tomorrow. I have something coming that shit me. I think I've been telling her earlier on. But yeah, mommy got me some coconut water. Say hi to the vlog. How are you feeling today? I'm fine. You're fine? What are you doing?
Bam, it surfaces again. It's about to get real.
that now.
You no need to do it, though.
Right now, I'm gonna come food me I eat. Right now.
You'll have to ride some big waves.
What's the best views that come in? But
You wash up your plate already?
black people, some things are going over there. Kardashian.
Mommy, you're messing, no man. You want to show me need for the bean booze a time. Maybe it's about Kardashian.
Come on now, if you look like keeping up with
Exactly. Up there, yeah. Like what?
Mandatory 90 days.
Mommy, listen. Me say you want to show me need for the bean booze.
No, I'm not my food.
You can't me no.
You know what this? You know how much things that want for me, the girl don't upload me now, I think. But I don't know.
Mommy, I watch it vlog then.
What, mommy? What you talking about?
Yes. I went out the road last week and somebody see me. Started playing.
Oh.
Okay. I just finished watching the vlog that she's saying that you don't have to warn, you don't whatever.
But she doesn't give a damn about her actions and in this group. So I reach out.
So wait there. Seriously, me just you just
but family there for serious thing. She go like say, you know what, me don't know what.
that's such a lie.
Mommy, you watch the last vlog then?
Yeah.
Let me talking.
Exactly. Oh yes. Yes. You're not even watching vlog. They don't even know nothing about our vlog edit.
You don't even know how to go on YouTube.
Don't say that. Don't say that though. You make me come up in the ear like Charlene and come like man true.
I didn't say that. You know, it's Shabbos said that. Ooh, watch ya. Mommy, I want vlog in the previous one I upload.
I'm not for them to do. She not put me in them people.
Show me, tell the truth.
So you feel some type of
No, tell the truth, show me. Which vlog mommy in What's up, guys? It's Monday and I just finished doing my nails. I'm going to do my toes now, and then afterwards I'll go back home. I'm feeling much better from yesterday. The only thing is that I have this horrible cough, like horrible. So I just want that to go. I have runny nose as well, and I feel tired, you know, like sick. But I've been taking medicine and all of that, so yeah, hopefully I feel like better tomorrow because I want to go on the road. I was going to film today, but I remember that I needed to do my nails, so just got vampy green, you know. Yeah. What's up? Going on the road. Going to have a trim of a number of stuff to get today, so that's what I'm about to do in Divine's jersey. Well, he gave this one to me, but I've been bothering him feet, so he just give me a done. So yeah, have a number of stuff to pick up. I'm just gonna run, pick them up and come back home and not tarry long in a half a tree. I can't deal. Published a video not too long ago, so yeah, so talk to now. Guys, it's what now? It's morning, same way. Yeah, morning, guys. For the first, I wake up so early. I waiting on my drive. Him say my minute away, but I still not see me just there under the mango tree. I wait for him. Going to this meeting. After that, just come back home. Shami went to school, but she have to come back home because her feet, she kind of sprained one of her ankles. So now, like, she have to come back home. So she there. I'm about to go to this meeting and come back. I have the sister tag to publish. It's up, but when I come back, I'll publish it for you guys and things see me. So yeah, so my day is gonna end in the evening. I have some clients to do, so yeah, so talk. Y'all remember this face? Look good. Remember? No? She had long curly hair the last time y'all met her. Yeah, on my makeover Mondays.
What happened?
What happened? Tell him.
It's all gone.
All the time. All the time. This happens every year. Sometimes her hair is long. See, two other pretty girls over there, so let me see if I can zoom in. The lighting is awful, but the one there, and this is the other one. Say hi. Yeah, so wait on my driver. Then I'm going to go back home because I know Shami foot. I hope Shami foot feeling better, you know, so she can go to school. I'm not sure if she can go tomorrow because I don't even know. It's going to take a minute for heal because let me tell you, it feels better this morning, you know. And then I don't know, probably because she went to school and she was walking on it. As she reached school, I'm calling mommy. So mommy, I forgot for her. Watch her. As she reached school, mommy, I forgot for her. So I'm gonna go home and keep her company, and I'm gonna finally film my what's in my makeup bag. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna leave you guys This gonna be the thumbnail? Yeah? Alright. Alright, so say bye everybody. No? Look for Shabby. No beer things I'm going to turn around with me turn. Me take off a wig, I don't care. Me can't even put it down for 2 seconds. What is man? What you with there? 1 foot. 1 foot girl. 1 foot at girl. Shall we turn around and give the camera a good up pose? Come to turn around. Yes!
What the manager there? What's what the manager?
Which company? KFC?
KFC. When people them step forward here. Yo, that thing I am bad. Oh, everybody know.
I true, yeah. Yo, would have afraid if me did make that zinger, them would have afraid when he ma call her Ume. He must say, yo, who make that zinger, yeah? Yo. Hello, what manager there? Me say, who make that zinger, yeah?
All of the excitement.
Yeah, people, all the custom people in my look so now I said, Jesus Christ, my dear, I get fired today.
Yeah,
The man said,
yo, that thing I am. The same as that cross is there.
She said she had to get mad. In the nail salon, I said, but really? Like, I the stupidest show ever.
Every time I look at it, hear me, I really did some go on so far. Me don't watch Kushi, yeah, me don't watch Kushi, that's foolishness.
Kushi, I want to show a company.
I don't care some Indian people. Yeah, me I want to me not watch Kushi. Kushi is foolishness.
Them are dead for this.
It's a beautiful beginning, and 2 of them.
My nigga, I know.
Me, when I walk on the road or going anywhere, you hear them. You know, I say, you hear them. I have to go home now. I anyway them there. I Kushi. What seriously do?
Jamaica lockdown.
Yeah, I don't
Kushi go on Jamaica lockdown, and it's too
No,
serious.
it ain't no lockdown because me not
I don't
lockdown.
say. Me not understand. And then they hear, Jimmy,
No, I'm not telling a lie. Anyway, me there, and me see it, me just want to exit the building far quick and fast. Because foolishly, being so yet. Then, you remember like when you do updates of them life and something, you hear them around go home, them go one update of them life, then they think that's foolish. But I'm not telling me about. Tell me about some reality show like that.
No, tell me about have and have not.
Have not. Empire and them something there. Them the fool.
Yeah, power. Why you tell me about Kushi?
Kushkuwa.
Seriously, Kushwa.
You know, me generation.
Me used to have to just watch that because when we used to be in the office, a beer.
I have to read and the caption is
I
too
don't
fast.
like. You see anything that upset me from the inside out?
Jesus.
It just hurts me. It just upset me being. I saw me talk about. Yo, me just gone. You want me move? Just talk about Kushi. Me gone far. I don't care who like me from me talk this. Cause me no watch it. And I believe it's
Kushi are foolish. Still.
Yeah, this the people.
Yeah.
Listen,
No.
nothing wrong if you don't have
no, if
cable.
you not have cable, but you know.
But
you can't know the people
me
that
nah
tune
bash
into
nobody
it.
will watch Kushi, man. Me nah bash nobody will watch Kushi. I feel like
No, you know.
little
Yeah, alright, we
enjoyment.
not bash them, but you see when people attack, when Kushi are going, I
No,
don't want
but
them
you
shut
know,
up
no,
now. That
but-
is a different
No, but you
story.
see, like you do your business, and you know, say you do your thing, and them fool push you going over there, so them go tell about.
Yeah.
Hold it down. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, you hold on your cushy thing. Just hold it down. Hold it down. Because I don't want it over here, so. You do with your things, so I'm deal with my thing. Enjoy your little piece of your enjoy my No, try to have it there, so. Yeah. No, for real. Me never know if you feel like me. I never know if somebody else today when you know what she.
No, but when them cause them breast are touching the place, why them
No, one day I don't remember where I was, and then I say, alright, me hear them talk about this pushing. Cause seriously, people, me never usually watch Royals, but one night I was sitting here.
Royals night.
Well, I know. I'm gonna tell you something, cause me and Swan them in the same boat. I'm still. Show me first, me here. Show me first, me here come and say, you know, say Royals can really watch. I'm there, so one night I'm gonna say. When me there, you know, me I say, you know, it can't go on. So the day me tell you, me in the place now. Me in the place now, I'm say, this old Kushi thing, come on. So me say, alright, then like, come here, wait time, man.
You not try to watch Kushi?
No, well, I'm not, yeah, me give a little ear and a little pop out of my eye.
Because some like them voice over the real
Yeah, them
voice.
no.
Like
You
it's
understand?
annoying.
I don't
like,
understand it.
this is what everybody is crazing over. I don't
And
see
it
the
seems
need.
so cheap to me. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
it's poorly
Sorry.
produced. Like
I'm
It's
sorry.
long and drawn out. No like
I
over
am
here, no,
sorry.
it's on.
yeah, a CVM bring it. Me no know it seems to be CVM it show do ka alpa billboard Kushi there. The billboard that
Where we come from?
yeah
Yeah, cause them love buy out the
I don't really, if you
the
talk
series
about
there.
the other tea, that's mine. But I don't really go for that tea, okay? People them over the tea, them real. People them I see can't real, so them try to imitate the people them I see. Yeah.
Listen, I bought this lip gloss. I don't know how you got. Anyway, hi guys. So today we're gonna be doing the sister tag. Yeah, this is a